Here is a short video on how to use the Aqua Tools S300 Pro pH meter. Press the on-off key to turn the meter on. Remove the cap by loosening the sealing ring slightly. Gently clean the electrode with distilled water and dry it off. Place the electrode in the solution and stir gently, or in this case, insert the electrode into the substrate. Wait a few seconds for the correct value to appear on the display. Press the temp call key to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Press the hold key to hold the last measured value. After use, rinse the electrode with water and dry it. If you use the hold key, do not forget to press it again, so that the current value is displayed during the next measurement. Press the on-off key to turn the meter off.